Okay, so they are out to say hello to each and every one of you. I'm talking about the stars of the show. Everybody, clap your hands to the music. Come on, let's welcome them. And of course, not forgetting also to welcome our very own, our host. His name is my brother Eli.
Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Today we are going to meet special birds. Each one of them have a beautiful color, exceptional talent. You can use your phones, but make sure the flashes are off. The one who flew is the second largest macaw. My name is Elias.
I'm DJ Cass, not forgetting also to welcome the fourth largest parrot in the world. His name is
Mr. Stars. Mr. Stars is the fourth largest macaw, and you raised the UAE flag. Everybody, let's give him a big round of applause.
What is the magic word?
Sapulo.
That's right. Keep going. More. Yes.
Yes, salam. What a great start. Thank you, Saki. DJ.
Yes.
Have you ever seen birds dancing before?
No. Never ever.
Yeah, DJ.
Yes.
Birds dancing.
What dancing you are talking
I
about?
swear, this guy have Alzheimer. He do the show with me every day. Roll your cameras. I'm gonna introduce you to the gangster, the most intelligent bird in the world, Coco. من أذكى بغاء العالم. Now everybody, hands in the air, all together. Let's get it.
Wow, look at this move.
It's a beautiful groove, a beautiful afternoon.
Beautiful Friday afternoon. Keep dancing. Keep shaking. Shake it to this and shake it to the west. Okay, hold on. Kids, guys, what can you say about this dancing? Is it dance good? Yeah, bravo.
Did you like that dancing?
Come on, say yes.
Did you really like that dancing?
Yes.
This is TTMF.
What's that mean, bro?
Total disaster, my friend. Yesterday I watched Bollywood movie and I spent the whole night training. DJ,
Yes.
put something. Come on, everybody. Ready? Let's go.
You are missing the best part, brother.
Let's start when it goes behind the tree. Yalla!
You know what, bro? You better stop dancing because they are laughing at you.
Who's laughing at me? Everybody was happy. How was my dancing? I look like Arabic Salman Khan, yeah? Coco, am I a good dancer? What did you say?
They said no.
Yeah, Coco, don't embarrass me. There's new people. Am I a good dancer? You know what? You are such an embarrassment. There's some more. Now, did you know that Coco is the most intelligent parrot and Coco can actually speak? Now, at home, he have two favorite pets. Listen carefully. Coco, how's your favorite pet? The first one sounds like. You know, they told me that recently you got a new one. How does he sound like? So he got the meow and whoop, whoop. But Coco, when you are sitting on the balcony and a pretty lady passes by, what do you do? That is, if you want to try this at home, make sure the wife is not around. Let's give a big round of applause to Coco. Now Coco can play many games at the same time. Roll your cameras, let's see Rambo!
Because you like NBA superstars, here comes LeBron James. And of course, Kobe Bryant, R.I.P.
And he loves to play the puzzle. What is yellow for you?
the circle of his life.
And how about the green?
Look at the surroundings.
And the red?
Do you believe in love?
Unfortunately, yes.
How about blue?
Blue? Well, I think it's most expensive. Blue?
Alright.
Blueberries?
Yes.
And how many seconds?
4, 2,
3. That's good today. Let's give a big round of applause to Coco and thank you, Birdie. Now I'm going to introduce you to one of the special birds. They are called the red-shouldered. Well, actually, it's very funny how the macaws are called. There are 16 different species. One of them is called the green macaw. One of them is called the green-winged macaw. But this one is called the red-shouldered. Roll your cameras. Let's welcome Mr. Jack. Mr. Jack is one of the smallest between all the macaw species. Now I'm going to show you something cool. All right. There you go. Check this out. Very nice. Who wants to try? Who wants to try the hold? Yes. Stand here, man. Stand here. Very nice. It's okay. Sit down. Hold. Keep your hand like this. I'm not gonna hold with you. You're gonna do it alone. All right? Keep your hand like this. Very nice. These ones are one of the smallest macaws in the world. And أصغر الجبر من العالم. Thank you so much. Let's give a big round of applause. You wanna try? Boys, come. Two both of you. Down. Come. يلا وقفون. Stand here. Very nice. push. لا بس واحدة من هالناحية. Very nice. Keep it like this. Don't move your hand. يلا لحالك. ايه بس خلي لحظة. خليك ثابت. اسمع. ثابت. يلا لا تتحرك. لحظة هيك ما تتحرك. يلا let's go. Very nice. Let's give that big round of applause.
That's fine.
I cannot say no kids. Yalla, go on. Both of you, come. Okay, خلاص, that's it. Don't bring more kids, huh? That's it. Yalla, hold. Both of you, hold. All right. Yalla, big boy. Very nice. Come on, everybody. Let's give Jack a big round of applause. Thank you, Jack, and thank you, Saki. And my feet are too big for this size here. All right. Now, when I was a kid, I had my favorite animation movie. Do you like to watch cartoons? Who likes to watch cartoons? There is this one called Rio. Have you ever watched Rio? 50 kilo on one hand. فيك تحمل 50 كيلو على ايد وحده.
Yes.
ايوه سيف تعال. ارفون سيف. طلع بالكيل. يلا open your right hand. افتح الكف اليمين. افتح الكف. سيف. I'm gonna put some food. افتح الكف. افتح الكفين. ايوه. سيف. جاهز؟ ما تتحرك. 1, 2, 3. Aladdin! Wow, come on, let's give him a big round of applause. This is awesome. You know what? A few days ago, I had a boy his age. He was this close to Karate the bird. These birds are called the sun gunners, and they can fly for many miles in one direct flight. We're having quick people say, very nice. I want one of the adults to come and join me. Who wants to join me from adults? Whoever wants to join me from adults should bring money with him. Wait. Thomas, come down. Thomas, bring the money with you. Very nice, come. All right. This is going to be exciting. Now, this bird I'm going to show you is actually one of the smartest and most cute birds you'll ever see in your life. Thomas, how are you doing? Good. Thomas, you have your wallet? Yeah, give me something big like 50, 200, 1,000, 500, something big.
Credit card.
Very nice. Thomas, no, I want the 200. It's okay, my friend. It's okay, we should show generosity. Yeah? Come, Thomas. Thomas, I want you to stand here. Now, I want you to hold the money like this in your hand, alright? Very nice. Now, Thomas, this bird has been trained by 2 genius people, alright? Don't move your hand. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Who's the 2 genius people? We have DJ. Alibaba, he comes, he walks. Congratulations, Thomas. He never come back.
Excuse me, why you never come back, brother?
This is how we collect our salaries.
No, we have to give the money back, bro.
Wait. Why?
Of course, it's today's Friday.
And especially it's his. Okay, you know what? Who think we should give Thomas the money back? Raise your hands. Yes, please come and pay him. You know what? We're gonna give you the money back. All right, Thomas, open your hand like this. Once he comes, put the money, close your hand. All right. Big boy, bring the money. What is it? Close your hand.
Where is the money, bro? What is this?
I don't know. You ask me. Voucher number. number 7, but check, I think there is... Thank you so much for your donation. No, open your hand. Should we bring the money?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, Thomas, open your hand. Come on, big boy, bring the money. Close your hand. Everybody, let's give Thomas a big round of applause. Marvelous. Awesome. Now, do you like magic?
Yeah.
Who wants to see magic? When I was a kid, I had my favorite game. It was magic, actually. At school, I was the best. Look at this. The ball and the cup. What is going to happen, I will shuffle. راح أخلط. If you figure out where is the ball, إذا بتحزر وين الطابة, I will give you a prize. راح أعطيكم جايزة.
Ta-da!
What is it?
The most expensive mobile in the world.
Which one?
It's an iPhone.
iPhone?
Yes.
Which iPhone?
iPhone 15.
DJ Pinocchio. Are you ready? I want to hear it. Are you ready? Eyes on the cup. 1, 2, 3, and where is it? Middle. Who say in the middle? Raise your hands. Wallah.
Yeah, good.
Very good.
One more.
Okay, round 2. Eyes on the cup. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. And this one is going to be big. Complicated. Coming here. And where is it? Here. Who say here? Raise your hands. Man, these people are here.
Bro, let's do the real one.
Okay, you know what? This is only a training. This is the real one. Are you ready?
Yes.
Eyes on the count. 1, 2. Let me see how good you are. Let's rumble!
Wow, this is what I'm talking. Okay, faster, more faster. And how about some juggling? Come
You want
on.
some juggling, bro?
Yes.
Boom! Shakalaka!
Almost.
Alright, look. Boom! Shakalaka! You know what, bro? I'm gonna tell you something, yeah?
Yeah.
When I was at school, I was the best magician ever, and nobody couldn't figure out where is the ball. Where is the ball?
In your pocket.
What is this, bro?
Where is the ball?
In your pocket.
No ball? Who say no ball? Raise your hands. Well, if there is no ball, what is this? You know what? I'm gonna call my best friend, the third largest Macau, Mr. Tweety. Check it out. I will shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everybody, let's cheer for. Wait for it. Wait. Wow.
Why you said wow?
He found it.
You helped him, bro.
You think I'm cheating?
Yes, you are.
Okay, princess, come join me. Come. You know what? She's gonna help me to do the shuffling for you to prove I wasn't cheating. Come on this side. This side here, come. Very nice. Give me the phone. Put the phone here. What's your name? Makeup. The ball, pick up, and I want you to mix, okay? 1, 2, 3, yellow, shuffle.
Wow, you can be a part of us one day.
I'll turn my face. Look at this.
But be sure that the ball is not in the same place, honey.
Whenever you're ready.
Yes, going and stop.
Done? Okay, give me high five. Super cool. Take your phone, don't forget it. Alright. I have no idea where's the ball. Tweety! In the restaurant!
Let's talk about the real magic. Watch this. Where is the ball? Abracadabra.
Wow! Man, how he do this thing?
He is a magician.
Did you know that this boy is not only a magician? This boy loves mathematics. Who loves mathematics? I think I asked the wrong question. Who doesn't love mathematics? Welcome to the family. It was my naming class. Baba, I always choose the one who don't love mathematics. Same like the teacher used to do to me. What's your good name? Okay. I want you to stand here, alright? I want you to hold the board in your hand and the pen. The game is very easy and simple. I want you to choose one number. Write it down on the board. 2 rules. Rule number 1. Rule number 2. Don't let the people understand your hand movement. Yes? Don't write 8. Okay? Yeah, choose. It's taking it out. Done? I'm gonna show you 4 papers. Take your time. If you see your number, say yes. If you don't see your number, say no. Can you see your number? No. Can you see your number? Yes. Can you see your number? Yes. Can you see your number? Yes. So 3 yeses, 1 no.
What?
Yeah.
You know what, bro? It should be 2 yeses and 2 no's.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
100%.
Should we pretend that we know what we're doing?
Yeah.
Very good. He chose one number from this paper, wrote it down on the board. Nobody know what is it. I showed him 4 papers, 3 yeses, 1 no. I showed the papers to the bird. He did the math equation. He would collect the answer. Everybody, let's cheer him up.
So what do you think? 30 digits number 1 digit.
I think it.
Is that your number?
Is that your number? Show everybody. Oh, it's number. Man, how he knew these things.
He loves number.
Come on, everybody, let's give him a big round of applause. Marvelous. Now, let's go on a journey from one corner to another. Everybody, hands in the air. Let's hike up. Yalla. Bada, 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 bada.
Daraja, Hawaii.
يا سلام يا طاس. You speak the Arabiya.
Yalla, guys, حبيبي. Yalla, ta'ala. Bro, what sounds like?
When DJ Gus speaks Arabic, he sounds like the guy from the metro.
There are 16 living species of the macaws in the world, and these are the 3rd largest parrot.
Let's give a big round of applause to Mr. Kitty and thank you to Kabuka. Alright, in my hand I'm holding 2 pictures, well actually different pictures of animals. Princess, come. Yes, come. Come join me. Very nice. Who else? Little boy. You wanna come? Little boy. No. Who wanna come?
Bro.
Little boy, come. Little boy, come. You look upset today. Come. What's your name? Huh? Very nice. What's your name? Elisandro. What's your name? Okay, there you go. Okay, look what. Come, buddy. I want you to choose one picture and hide it. Choose. Hide it. Choose. Hide it. When I turn my back, I want you to show the pictures to everyone, okay? 1, 2, 3. Show the pictures to everyone. You're gonna help me, huh? Okay. Show the pictures. So show the pictures. Yes, very nice. Everybody take a good look at the pictures, huh? You saw them? Yalla, hide the pictures. Hide it. I love it. Hide it. Okay. Put here. Don't show it to me. Very nice. Put here. High five? Yalla, take back your seat. Very nice. Buddy, come. بدي منك تخلط. I want you to mix. Shuffle. يلا اخلط. ايوه اخلط.
Wow, he's good.
شو is good? What kind of food is this? And this, huh? This, yes, huh? Here we go. Very nice. Come on, everybody, let's give him a big round of applause. Marvelous. Yalla, take back your seat. Now look at this. I have no idea what the pictures are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yalla, big boy.
So how many cats we are looking for?
2 different pictures.
It names. What is the first card? What animal is concentrate? My friend, what is this, bro?
Isn't this scarlet macaw? Wow! What do you think the second one is?
I know the tallest animal in the world.
Which one?
Dinosaur.
Yeah, Habibi, dinosaur. You're a caveman sometimes, yeah?
What? Sometime, all the time.
Is it the Kung Fu Panda? Do you want to know how he did this trick? Who wants to know? Raise your hand. Do you really want to know? Are you serious? If I tell you, they will fire me. Let's give him a big round of applause.